My best friend is a dumb robot.
My best friend is a dumb robot. I do not know what human touch feels like, 'cause I am best friends with a robot, and not the cool kind, but the one who lies and keeps on stealing our art all the time. Yes, that robot
With no lasers.
and me myself, I am so very dumb. I think billionaires are gonna be my friends, and corporations have the best interests. I'm dumb, so very dumb, and I am not afraid for everyone on the internet to learn that I'm dumb. So it's time to post about a question that would not puzzle the most, 'cause I am friends with the robots. I'm giving this